Many companies think they have a data quality problem only when a dashboard is obviously wrong. But poor data quality usually appears much earlier. It shows up as repeated questions, manual corrections, unclear ownership, delayed decisions, and the same issues returning again and again. In this video, we will look at 5 signs that your company may already have a data quality problem, even if nobody is calling it that yet. The first sign is that different teams report different numbers for the same thing. Sales reports one figure, finance reports another, operations has a third version. The problem is often blamed on reporting tools or timing differences. But the real issue may be that teams use different definitions, sources, filters, or transformation rules. For example, one team may define an active customer as anyone who purchased in the last 12 months. Another team may use 6 months. A third team may include prospects. All 3 reports may be technically correct according to their own logic. But the organization still cannot make one consistent decision. When people spend more time debating which number is right than discussing what the number means, data quality has become a business problem. The second sign is that employees rely on manual fixes before they can use the data. They download reports into Excel. They correct names, remove duplicates, fill missing fields, change formats, and create private lookup tables. These workarounds may keep a process running, but they also hide the true cost of poor data quality. The organization sees the final report. It does not see the hours spent cleaning the data before the report could be produced. Manual corrections also create risk. Different employees may fix the same issue in different ways. The logic may not be documented, and when the person who knows the workaround is absent, the process may stop. A strong warning sign is when a report is trusted only after one specific person has reviewed and corrected it. The third sign is that the same data issues keep returning. A missing field is corrected this month. The same field is missing again next month. A duplicate customer record is merged. More duplicates appear later. A wrong product code is fixed in one system, but remains wrong in another. This usually means the organization is treating symptoms instead of causes. An issue may be corrected in a report without changing the source process, business rule, system validation, interface, or ownership model that created it. Without structured root cause analysis, the issue remains alive. It simply reappears in another file, another dashboard, or another business process. A mature data quality process does not only ask, "How do we fix this record?" It also asks, "Why did this happen? Where did the issue enter the process? Which control failed? Who owns the corrective action? And how will we prevent recurrence?" The fourth sign is that nobody clearly owns data quality issues. A problem is discovered by a business user. It is sent to IT. IT says the source data comes from the business. The business says the system should prevent the error. The issue moves between teams, but no one owns the final resolution. This is not only a communication problem, it is a governance problem. Every data quality issue should have a named owner, a defined status, a priority, a target date, and a clear next action. Ownership may change during the life cycle of an issue. The person who reports the problem may not be the person who fixes it. But at every stage, somebody should be accountable for moving the issue forward. When issues sit in email threads, chat messages, or private spreadsheets without clear ownership, they are easy to forget and difficult to escalate. The fifth sign is that decisions are delayed because people do not trust the data. Managers ask for additional checks before approving a report. Teams create parallel calculations to validate official figures. Projects pause because customer, product, supplier, or transaction data cannot be confirmed. Employees begin using phrases such as, "We need to verify this first. The data is probably wrong. Ask the person who created the file." Do not use that field. Use the number from last week instead. At that point, the cost is no longer limited to data correction. Poor data quality is slowing decisions, reducing confidence, and creating friction between teams. The most damaging effect may be that people stop using available data altogether. They return to intuition, local knowledge, and private files because the official data environment is not trusted. These 5 signs are connected. Different numbers create confusion. Manual corrections hide the problem. Recurring issues show that root causes are not addressed. Unclear ownership prevents resolution, and low trust delays decisions. The solution is not to launch a large data quality transformation immediately. A practical starting point is a structured data quality issue management process. That process should capture the issue, business impact, affected data, severity, priority, owner, status, root cause, corrective action, target date, and final resolution. It should also make recurring issues visible and provide a clear escalation path. For many small and mid-sized organizations, this can begin with a well-designed issue register in Excel or Microsoft Lists. The tool is less important than the discipline behind it. Every issue should be recorded consistently. Every issue should have an owner. Every issue should move through a defined status model. And important recurring problems should lead to root cause analysis and preventive action. If your organization recognizes several of these signs, do not wait for a major reporting failure or customer impacting incident. Start by making data quality issues visible. Choose one business area. Capture the active problems. Assign ownership. Prioritize them based on impact. Track them to resolution. And use the results to identify the processes and data domains that require deeper improvement. If you need a ready-to-use starting point, practical data quality issue management templates and implementation toolkits are available through the first link in the description.